Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add pages on Payhip. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, go to your store section. Now in here, go ahead and launch your store builder. This will now lead you to your Payhip store editor. To add a page, go ahead and click on this add button at the top left corner. Then select custom page. For here, add in a page title. For that, I will add in this About Me page. Once done, click the Add button. Now, you can fully customize this to your liking. For example, I'm going to add a section on the left panel. And in here, just select one based on what you need. So just go and click on one section, and that will be added to your page where you can fully customize it on the left panel, and once done, just save the changes. Now, click on this drop down at the top left so that you will be able to access different pages of your site. You can also go and click on the plus sign button beside each pages, like adding a new custom page, a product page and collection page, as well as blog pages. And that's just basically it. That's how you add pages on Payhip. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.